Hello, everyone, and welcome to NG Platinum Luxury. Today, I'm going to talk about Gessi, and I'm going to give a little review on the experience that I had when I visited their huge booth in Milano at Salone di Mobile back in the spring. So, Gessi is, if you don't know, a very large luxury plumbing fixture manufacturer. And if you are an interior designer and you're looking for luxury products for your customers' kitchens, bathrooms, definitely look into Gessi. They're just amazing. Now, I was there at their huge booth, and I would have to say, not only is this whole show, Salone, amazing and huge, they have one of the biggest booths there. And I had the opportunity to talk with Adriana, and she is the National Sales Director of North and South America. And she went through and showed us some of their amazing new products that they launched back in April. And I have some videos on that. So if you're interested, you can definitely go ahead and look at those on my YouTube or my Instagram. But I would have to say, if you're into luxury and you have clients that want high-end luxury quality plumbing products, definitely look into Gessi. They're just amazing. So until next time, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.